This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Schaumburg at the new Element at Veridian Luxury Apartments. Element has an outstanding suite of amenities, headlined by a 2-story community great room. The great room opens to a rambling resort-style terrace with grilling areas adjacent to an outdoor pool. Element also has a fully equipped fitness studio, a spacious yoga studio with lockers, a business center with conference rooms and private offices, a dog park with separate areas for large and small dogs, a package room with cold storage lockers, and more. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in the foyer of apartment 127, a spacious studio, looking at 2 closets, a wide closet with hanging space and a second closet with shelving. Off to my left, it's an oversized bath with a double bowl vanity, twin wood frame mirrors and designer lighting. It's a wide walk-in shower, attractive white tile. It's plank flooring and high ceilings throughout the apartment. Continuing into the apartment, off to my right, it's a closet with full-size stacked washer dryer and a hot water heater. It's really a spacious room for a studio. Gives you a lot of flexibility in how you lay out your furniture. Have a wide one-wall kitchen with a breakfast bar island. There's a lot of cabinet and counter space. 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage. You have white quartz counters, a wide farm-style sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment, gray tile backsplash, dishwasher, a 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave. Surprising amount of space in this studio. And you have a sliding door, opens for fresh air, and you have a view out to the grills and the pooling terrace. Heading toward a third closet. Overall, good storage space for a studio. Element at Veridian has a wide variety of apartment layouts, an excellent location, truly outstanding suite of amenities, everything new, everything high style. If you're looking for a new apartment, Element really belongs high on your must-visit list. You can see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info at the Element at Veridian website.